Unlocking the future. Master the passive voice in future tense. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of grammar to talk about a very important topic: the passive voice in future tense. More specifically, we'll be exploring the importance of using the passive voice in the future tense. This concept might sound complicated, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of it. Before we dive into the main topic, let's ensure we have a firm grasp of two concepts: passive voice and future tense. Passive voice is used when the focus is on the action, not on who or what is performing the action. For example, the cake will be baked by John is in passive voice because the focus is on the action of baking the cake, not on John. Future tense, on the other hand, is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. When we say, John will bake the cake, we are using the future tense, as the action of baking the cake will happen in the future. The magic happens when we combine these two concepts. We can say, the cake will be baked by John. This sentence is both in the passive voice, the focus is on the action of baking the cake, and in the future tense, the action will happen in the future. So, why is using the passive voice in the future tense important? 1. Emphasizing the action. Often, what will happen is more important than who will do it. For example, in a business setting, you might say, the report will be completed tomorrow, instead of, John will complete the report tomorrow. 2. Maintaining confidentiality. In situations where you don't want to disclose who will perform the action, the passive voice in the future tense comes in handy. The matter will be handled gives less away than, Officer Smith will handle the matter. 3. Creating a formal tone. Passive voice often lends a formal tone to sentences, which can be important in academic or professional writing. The experiment will be conducted at 9 a.m. sounds more formal and authoritative than, we will conduct the experiment at 9 a.m. And that's it for today, folks. We've just gone over the importance of using passive voice in the future tense. Remember, grammar isn't just about following rules. It's about expressing exactly what you mean. The more tools you have at your disposal, the more precise and effective your communication will be. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of using passive voice in the future tense before you know it. Until next time, happy learning!